Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. But before we get started, I want to let you all know about our Labor Day sale. Now through September 6th, you can now get $100 off Drone Pilot Ground School, which is a self-guided test prep course that covers everything you need to know to pass the Part 107 exam. We've trained over 50,000 drone pilots for the test with a 99% plus pass rate. If you want to learn more and save $100 off the course, click the link down below. Now let's get back to the stories. Our first story will cover how police departments are still using lots of DJI drones even after numerous calls have been made to ban them. Our second story focuses on a leak involving a mystery industrial drone. And finally, we talk about Wing announcing a drone delivery partnership with Walmart. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Wow Video Tours is looking for a drone photographer in Findlay, Ohio. PhotoFetch is in search of a freelance drone photographer and videographer in Boston, Massachusetts. Colesaw has an opening for a drone specialist in Huntsville, Alabama. And Limitless Mail is seeking a videographer in Omaha, Nebraska. With that said, let's fly in. Police departments across the country have been facing bans on DJI drones. In Florida, public safety agencies have had to ground the majority of their fleets due to a new law restricting drone usage to only those 6 drones that appear on the original Blue UAS law. Arkansas has enacted its own restrictions on law enforcement using Chinese drone technology, and others seem to be following suit. Despite all of this, police departments are still investing in DJI's technology. In Grand Rapids, Michigan, city leadership is close to approving a spend of $100,000 on new DJI drones for law enforcement. And in Sacramento, the police department's 2024 budget calls for $139,000 in new models of rifles, munitions, and drones, with at least some of the proposed drones reportedly coming from DJI. So it will be interesting to see how this ban on DJI drones will continue to affect and influence certain police departments. Our next story talks about a large industrial drone that has been pictured recently in leaked footage, leading to lots of speculation about what it could be. New leaks suggest that it could be a new version of the Matrix 30, which makes sense given its larger size. We don't know much right now about the industrial drone, but given that the M30 came out in March of 2022, it could be time for an upgrade. But I'm curious to hear from you all, so what do you think it could be? And finally, Wing has partnered with Walmart to make drone deliveries in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. According to Walmart, the partnership will allow it to offer drone deliveries to 60,000 new homes. At first, deliveries will be made from a Walmart in Frisco, Texas, to those homes within 6 miles. From there, the program will expand to a second location. Items that can be ordered include everything from full lunches to quick afternoon snacks or over-the-counter medicines, with deliveries promised to arrive in under 30 minutes. That's the same time commitment made by Roundup, another Walmart drone delivery partner. Roundup has had some struggles this year with 2 waves of mass layoffs and a big pivot from offering a variety of drone services to only offering drone delivery. For now, Roundup still has the lion's share of Walmart's drone delivery business and gets most of the credit for Walmart's recent 10,000 drone delivery milestone that we covered last week. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about some police departments still using DJI drones? And how about Wing now partnering with Walmart? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great Labor Day weekend. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.